These are the new instructions for residential water sampling in Flint. As you will notice when you obtained your new water sampling kit, there are now 2 sample bottles. The 2 bottles will provide additional data to study the impact of faucets as a potential source of lead. While lead service lines continue to be replaced with state funding, it is important to consider all potential sources of lead. The smaller bottle will capture the water that has been in close contact with the faucet. This will help show how much lead comes from the faucet. The larger bottle will capture the water deeper in the plumbing system. Only use the cold water faucet in the kitchen or bathroom. No other faucet will work for sampling. If the faucet is connected to a faucet mount filter, water softener, iron filter, or reverse osmosis system, it must be removed or bypassed. The faucet you select to take the sample from should have been used within the last 24 hours, but it is important that you not use any water in your house for at least 6 hours before you take a sample. It is best to sample early in the morning or after you return home from work, just as long as the water was not used during the night or while you were away at work. Remember, do not flush any water from the faucet before you take the sample. To start, open the small and large bottles and set them on the counter near the sink faucet. Do not touch the inside of the bottle or the cap. Next, make sure the small sample bottle is directly under the faucet before you turn it on. The bottle should not be touching the faucet. That way, the bottle is positioned to capture the very first stream of water out of the faucet. Now turn on the cold water. As the water is filling the small bottle, grab the larger bottle and hold it near the small bottle. As soon as the water reaches the neck of the small bottle, immediately slide the larger bottle under the water stream. Do not turn the water off between samples. Fill the water to the neck of the larger bottle and place the full water sample bottles on the counter. Now shut off the water and put the caps on both samples tightly. Please fill out the orange sampling form on the other side of the written instructions. Please place the filled bottles and completed sampling form in the Ziploc bag that was provided and return the kit for testing. For sample drop-off sites, bottled water, water filters, and free water testing kits, please visit the web address on the screen or contact the DEQ Environmental Assistance Center at 1-800-662-9278.